Hello, magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so kung nakikita nyo tong reading na to or napapanood nyo tong reading na to on May 5, so 5, ibig sabihin, it's a sign na ang reading na to or any message on this reading ay para sa inyo. Okay, so iakma ninyo sa inyong situation ang kalalabasan ng reading na ito. But what I'll do is bubunot ako ng dalawang oracle cards from this deck that will be the overall message para sa inyo. Claim the energy, kung ano mang lumabas dito. And using this tarot deck, it would be the detail of your love story. Okay? Based dun sa main energy or overall energy. Okay? Based ng panahon, no? May 5. Diba? Mangangalahati na ang taon. Sana naging masaya ang inyong ganap nitong nakaraang Labor Day. Sana nakapagpahinga kayo, nakapag-recharge kayo. And I hope that your connection with your person is getting better. Sana inyong love life ay maging abundant pa. Okay? And keep manifesting genuine love mismo. Okay? Gusto kong magpasalamat sa inyong lahat na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Please continue to support Mystico Moreno by liking this video or commenting sa baba, lalo na kung gusto nyo i-claim ang energy ng message na ito. So, this love message ay para sa inyong lahat na nakakapanood nito on May 5. So, I set an intention na kung sino mo makapanood nito on May 5, it's a sign na whatever message and how it aligns to your story, sana mag-manifest din niyo siya. If it's a very positive reading. Okay. So, May 5. Of course, I'll get the 5th card. So, first card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bravery. And second card. Okay. Right. Bravery and pride. Ayan. So, napakaganda nito na sinasabi lang na ni universe na when it comes to love, you really have to be brave. Diba? Ang taong totoong nagmamahal, walang kinakatakutan. Diba? Kasi alam mo na if it's genuine love, alam mo na nasa right path ka because love is the highest form of energy, and if you have the highest form of energy, diba, and it's a very positive energy, diba, everything you do rooted sa love will be positive as well. Okay? And that's why, diba, laging sinasabi din na let's offer love to everyone, di ba? Regardless kung anong klase siyang tao, if kaya natin magmahal ng totoo, di ba? Mas nagma-manifest din yung positivity even to that person. Okay? Nag-resonate din yung positivity sa kanya. Okay? And of course, taking pride on your bravery is something really, paano ko ba i-rephrase to? So, di ba, yung kapag alam mo na nagmamahal ka ng tama at you're brave enough to express it, especially to your person, okay, you must take pride doon sa bravery mo. Dahil hindi lahat ng tao kaya nang gawin yun. Diba? So, pag ginawa mo kasi yung best mo, lalo na when it comes to love, usually kasunod nun talaga is the pride na parang, uy, nagawa ko siya. Wala akong regrets. Nagawa akong magmahal ng totoo, ng tama. And, alam mo yun, it gives you some feeling of celebration. Alam mo yun, yung parang, di ba, kapag may ginawa ka ng tama at ginawa mo siya with all your might, di ba, at binigay mo yung best mo, di ba, kahit hindi sa love, in any thing that you do, pag binigay mo yung best mo, tapos na-accomplish mo siya, di ba, you have this sense of pride. Ganun din sa love. Kapag alam mo naman na hindi ka nagkulang, binigay mo lahat, naging matapang ka when it comes to love, diba? And then nakita mo yung mga results, nakita mo yung fruits of that genuine love, di ba? Pagbigay siya ng sense of pride sa sarili mo. Kahit hindi mo siya parang ipagmalaki with everyone, pero alam mo deep inside that you're proud na nagawa mo ng tamang pagmamahal. And let's see, sige, tignan natin yung details pa nitong overall energy na to. So, claim this energy na sana kung ikaw ngayon medyo parang may mga fears ka when it comes to love dahil ganito, nasaktan ka dati, or dahil meron kang mga inner child wounds na nag-result sa iyong current attachment style, regardless if you're avoidant or anxious, di ba? Hindi ka naging secure, tapos yun nga, parang takot ka na magmahal, di ba? You're not courageous enough to try or even experience love. Kasi ang default mo is, ay, masasaktan lang ako. Diba? Itong energy of bravery and pride na nakikita nyo ngayon sa inyong screen. Claim it and let's manifest it together. So I'm sending this love and light along with these energies of bravery and pride sa inyo, and claim it dahil masayang magmahal ng buong buo at totoo, di ba? Yun. Sige. And sana whatever energy pa ang lumabas dito sa details, stay positive and keep manifesting. Kahit hindi man ito parang umakma sa current situation ninyo, claim it, manifest it, and mangyayari siya. Okay? That's why sinet ko yung intention na to, na kapag nakita nyo tong reading na to is mag-resonate din sa inyo. Okay? So, first card. Alright. So, Four of Swords. Okay. Second card. Okay, Six of Swords. Yan. Okay, the Tower. Okay. Okay, Ace of Pentacles. Okay, diba? Ten of Pentacles. And the Moon. Okay, so Okay, so si Four of Swords, sinasabi lang dito is you have you still have time to really heal after something that happened, 'di ba? Ito, and yung shift na yun is as shown here by the tower is a significant change. It's a sudden but also significant change in your life that will lead you to the Ten of Pentacles. And yun nga, pinapakita din dito na, yeah, ang nakikita nga dito is, especially for those na nasaktan before, may fear kayo talaga to try and experience love again. Okay, kasi ang tendency ninyo is to protect yourself, which is normal lang naman sa atin na we protect ourselves from further damage or protect ourselves from repeating that feeling of heartache, di ba? Yung parang sino bang gusto maka-experience ulit, di ba, ng heartache after may experience na, di ba? So, though it's really inevitable, di ba? Hindi naman natin alam ang mangyayari sa hinaharap talaga. Pero, di ba, parang pag nasaktan na tayo, even, di ba, as simple as mapaso ka sa pagpaplansya or, di ba, ma-ground ka, 'di ba, dun sa sinaksak mong appliance. Okay? 'Di ba ang ano mo is ayaw mo nang maulit 'yon. So mas nag-iingat ka na. And yung pag-iingat na 'yon is yung pinaka root niya is that fear na ma-experience mo ulit yung pain na 'yon. Okay? So ganun din dito. Pero sinasabi nga ni universe is to be brave pa rin na despite those past hurts or heartaches or sad experiences in the past, parang gamitin mo nga siya instead of magpatuloy yung fear mo, gamitin mo pa siya to really make you stronger. Okay? And continue trying and continue to see the positive side of those experiences. Meaning, from those, di ba, mas alam mo na rin kung ano yung hinahanap mo when it comes to love. And yun, mas tatapangan mo pa nga. Imbis na mas matatakot ka, mas tatapangan mo pa sa next opportunity na makikita mo when it comes to love. That's why nandito si Four of Swords here, and sinasabi dito ni universe is, okay, if you're still healing, continue the journey. Okay? And hindi mo kailangang madiliin. It doesn't mean na hindi ka na rin brave enough. Actually, continuing the healing journey is an act of bravery din. Kasi maraming nag-give up na eh. Parang, ayoko na ma-heal. Okay na, sige. Just move on, try another love, kung may dumating, sige, go, diba? Pero importante pa rin talaga na nag-heal tayo, kasi once heal tayo, diba, mas ready tayo, okay, to accept yung genuine love na paparating sa atin. And before that, okay, may ayusin lang ako. I just noticed na I wrongly put you and I here. So, use it lang natin, di ba? Ayan, o di ba? At least alam nyo ano to. Hindi edited itong video na Alright. Okay. So, ayan. And, going back. So, and itong healing journey, once na matapos mo siya, there will be another, kasi ang tower hindi naman siya laging sudden change or sudden shift to something negative eh. Diba? There will be an ending, but there will be a new beginning then. So there's a shift, a change from hindi always from positive to negative. It can also be from negative to positive. And as shown here, leading to the Ten of Pentacles, or Ten of Pentacles has this energy of long-term relationship, true love, alam mo yung energy of happily ever after. So yun yung energy ni Ten of Pentacles. So again, once na ready ka na to experience love again after the past experiences that you have na hindi naging maayos, di ba? It will actually prepare you to embrace that kind of love na long-term, na abundant, and alam mo yun, na will give you this, as you can see here also, it's like the generation, meaning, ano siya, you grow old together, alam mo yun, you have these happy moments together with your family and friends, and you go on a journey together, and shift tayo sa Hanan, di ba? And that sense of pride will, alam mo yun, di ba, yung bravery dito, tapos yung pride na sinasabi ko kanina, na kapag naging matapang ka at na-experience mo yung love, and alam mo yun, di ba, parang sinasabi mo rin, sasabihin mo na sa sarili mo, di ba, pag may na-accomplish ka, very common to na pag may mga doubts tayo when we encounter obstacles and challenges, parang pinush pa rin natin, tapos nakita natin yung reward from it. Di ba, nasasabi natin sa sarili natin, uy, buti na lang ginawa ko, uy, buti na lang tinuloy ko, uy, buti na lang pinush ko to. Di ba? So, ganun din. So, and this pride will happen once you let go. Six of Swords kasi is letting go and walking away from that thing that yung cause ng fear na yun. So, once you walk away from that fear, di ba, you will shift to bravery. And that's why here, Ace of Pentacles is a start of something tangible, di ba? And that something tangible is that love. I mean, love itself is not tangible, pero syempre, how can you express it and experience it without something tangible, di ba? Or the person na i-express mo yung love mo, di ba? So, something tangible, meaning darating yung person na yun once you walk away from that fear, okay, from that hindrance sa pagiging brave mo, okay, or in short, kapag naging mas matapang ka na at nag-walk away ka na sa lahat ng kinakatakutan mong kung ano man yun, ikaw lang nakakaalam din kung ano yung fear na yun, ano yung cause ng fear na yun, di ba? You will experience a new beginning with something tangible, and that something tangible is someone, okay? And that for now, you don't know, of course, as the Moon card here is showing, it's because Moon card is a card of secrets. Okay, something na hindi mo pa, well, as a secret, hindi pa siya revealed sa'yo, di ba? Pero hindi siya kasi ma-reveal unless hindi mo nga, hindi mag-manifest tong energy of bravery and pride. Okay, may either madadelay siya or may iwan siyang secret. Sino man yun? Sino ba yung someone na yun? Who is that person that has this energy of the beginning of something tangible, something that you can really hold and love and hug and show the love that you can give, diba? So tingnan mo na dito rin sa image nito, parang nakalayo yung paningin niya dito sa person na to, diba? Kasi as long as you're not walking away from that fear. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo sa images kasi when it comes to tarot, you really have to also interpret paano yung connection ng mga images. And me as a reader, I also interpret yung how this image is. Di ba parang one is pointing, let's go there. Pero this one is also pointing here to that Ace of Pentacles or to that someone. Okay? So parang sinasabi dito, either you go here and not face your fear or face your fear and you'll meet this someone who is na hindi mo nakikita hanggat hindi mo pinipili nga yung naharapin yung mga kinakatakutan mo. Okay? So, I hope this reading will resonate sa inyo, sa situation nyo. And kung nag-resonate siya, claim this energy of bravery and pride. Comment na sa baba. Okay, and again, as I always say here in my channel, let's keep manifesting genuine love. Okay? Okay? Mismo. Alright. So, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta at sana sa mga nakapanood ngayong May 1. May 5. May 5, May 1. So, May 5. Sorry. Medyo kagagaling ko lang kasi sa bakasyon nung Labor Day. So, medyo may hangover pa ng bakasyon. And anyway, for all of you who are watching this on May 5, okay, I am sending you love and light. Okay? And kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Okay? Kita-kits. Ako muli si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. Hanggang sa muli. Ingat!